Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
So today we are making the paper snowflake. You might have seen this all across Pinterest and Instagram using paper bags. I didn't have any paper bags, nor I wanted to buy them. But I do have this giant white paper roll with me and couple of craft papers that I've collected from various parcels that I've received throughout the year. This is a super simple DIY. You can do it as a family together. I'm planning to make few extras for Ishi's room as well, but with her.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
For this DIY, you would need
And
to make
here's
some pocket
my
sleeves,
trusty friend, and
just the way I'm showing you in this video.
we'll talk
You would need some papers, glue sticks,
for
hot glue gun,
online sign.
and some yarn.
For online sign, my dear. For online sign, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for online sign.
This is an adorable project to do with kids or just as a family thing. I have used around 20 envelopes or sleeves, you can say, and I'm going to attach it all in a fashion of T. I'll just show you how.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For
Once you've attached 3 or 4 sleeves, then cut it into a desired shape. If you add all of them together, it will be very difficult to cut your design on this paper as they get really thick.
And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Once you have all these bunches of the shapes that you wanted, join all of them together and you'll have a beautiful snowflake. Make it as intricate as you want or as simple as you like. Now the last end, leave it open and attach the string so that you can hang it. You can also use some double-sided tape to just stick it to the wall. They make beautiful decoration without adding much clutter at home. You can also make them with newspapers or some used printed sheets that are no longer in use. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enjoy the other Vlogmas as well. I'm doing daily vlogs on this channel and trying to bring the best contents possible for you and bring the calmness and joyfulness of the season in your homes. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.
Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, seize all the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.